Hello friends, welcome to EduTab, and EduTab is here again with its IBPS AF4 course that is exclusively for mains exam IBPS AF4 2020-21, and in this particular video we shall look at the course offerings. So friends, before getting into course details and various other course offerings, let me take you through our success stories which we have achieved since the past few years. And these are the students who have achieved their dream of becoming AFO during last year, that is IBPS AFO 2019 exam. And not only that, we have students in top 10 all India ranks as well, and we have few students in top 20 as well, and we have many students who are in top 50 all India ranks and achieved their dream of becoming an AFO. So friends, before getting into course offerings, let us first have a quick look at the pattern of IBPS A4 2020-21 exam. See, this is a three-tier exam wherein we have phase 1, phase 2 and an interview as well. And here under phase 1, the candidates would be tested under three subjects. For three subjects, that is reasoning, quantitative aptitude and English, in which they would be asked 150 questions worth 125 marks, and the total time allotted is 120 minutes. But yes, here sectional timings are applicable, that is for each of these subject, that is reasoning, quantitative aptitude and English, they will be given 40 minutes each to solve the paper, and the medium of language for reasoning and quants would be English and Hindi. So friends, under phase 2, we have only one paper, that is professional knowledge, and here since it is A4, we have professional knowledge in agriculture, for which 60 questions would be asked and 60 marks would be awarded, and the total time given for solving this paper is 45 minutes only, and the medium of language would be, it would be both asked in English as well as in Hindi. And here one catch is the marks obtained in the online main examination only will be considered for shortlisting for interview, and even for merit listing as well after the entire process. So friends, next comes is the interview process, and as you can see here on your screens, the total marks allotted for interview are 100, and the minimum qualifying marks in interview will not be less than 40%, and as per the reservations that is mentioned here, 35% for the rest of the candidates. And the weightage that is given for online main examination and interview is 80:20, that is 80% marks would be considered from online main exam and from interview 20% marks, and phase 1 would only be as a qualifying exam, but those marks wouldn't be counted in the final selection. So friends, here comes the most awaited section of the video, that is the course offerings that EduTap has brought out for you for IBPS Agriculture Field Officer 2020-21, and here you can see there are two courses that has been brought out. One is exclusively as test series for phase 2, and the other is a complete course wherein along with test series will be providing you with chapter wise videos and various other related content. Now I shall take you through exclusive what are the various components and what are the various offerings of these individual courses. So friends, let's have a quick look at what are the various components or offerings that are under the phase 2 test series, which is one of the courses here. And in this course, we are going to offer you with 25 full length mock tests with detailed PDF solutions, wherein these detailed PDF solutions are downloadable, and then along with that 30 sectional tests would be provided exclusively on specific chapters or important topics, again with detailed PDF solutions that is downloadable. And these 30 sectional tests would and these 25 full length mock tests, they are completely based on the whatever latest pattern that is being followed by IBPS for AFO mains exam. And these 30 sectional tests, they are based on both static and current affairs, which are very important for IBPS AFO exam as per the latest pattern that we have been seeing, that many number of questions are being asked from current affairs. So we have included these 30 section tests with current affairs like livestock census, agri census, NABARD bankable projects. All these would be covered under this sectional test. And yes, of all these we are going to provide a total of 2500 plus multiple choice questions as part of this 25 full length mock test and 30 sectional test. So friends, here comes phase 2 complete course, and here we are offering you with a complete course for phase 2 exam, that is professional knowledge in agriculture. And here what we have done is we have divided it into two major parts. One is static agriculture and the other is current affairs. So under static agriculture we are going to provide you with unit wise concept videos of agriculture, wherein we have divided the entire agriculture subject into various topics for your convenient studying, and like agronomy, crop production, farming systems, cropping pattern and cropping system, fisheries, animal husbandry and poultry, horticulture, forestry, etc. So likewise we have provided here, we are provided you with concept videos for each of these chapters. Along with the videos we are also going to provide you with content sheets, the entire notes, the concepts in the form of notes. And along with that we are also going to provide you with worksheets for your practice, and along with that we are also going to provide you with MCQs, that is multiple choice questions or quizzes, so that you will have real time experience of the mains exam, IBPS A4 2020-21 mains exam. And along with that, one important point to be noted here is we are going to provide you with summary sheets of whatever the content you have read here. We are going to provide you with crux of that in the form of summary sheets that again are downloadable so that you can revise them at your convenience. So friends, now under current affairs section, till now we have seen static agriculture. Now under current affairs section we are going to provide you with monthly current affairs magazine for agriculture. Here you'll have PDF plus videos. We are also going to provide you with the latest budget, video plus PDF, again latest economic survey, again video plus MCQs here. And along with that we are going to provide you with NABARD bankable project reports, which is one of the very important topics for IBPS A4 mains exam. So along with that we are also going to provide you with NABARD annual report summary and annual report of few important ministries like Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Fisheries, Ministry of Animal Husbandry, Ministry of Rural Development, etc. Because we have been seeing that there are various questions that are being asked from these reports as well. So friends, along with that we are going to provide you with ISFR report, that is India State Forest report as well, whatever the latest report that is available as part of our current affairs agriculture program. And along with that few other important reports that are being released as per the the government release reports. And then one important topic here is important government schemes of agriculture and rural development, and it has been observed that at least 4 to 5 questions are being asked exclusively from government schemes of agriculture and rural development. And along with that we are going to provide you with census 2011. Again there might be questions that might be asked from this topic. SEC 2011, that is socio-economic caste census, and agriculture census, that is the latest one that is available, that is 2015-16 agriculture census. So friends, apart from the current affairs agriculture and static agriculture, here this course also includes test series, the same test series which we are offering separately as well. It includes 30 sectional tests on specific chapters or topics with detailed PDF solutions as that can be downloadable, as you've already seen, and 25 full length mock tests again with detailed PDF solutions. But here in this course you will be getting 3500 plus mock multiple choice questions as part of this test series, and as part of the test that are being given along with each chapter. So friends, why our course? Why EduTap's course for IBPS A4 2020-21 mains exam? See here, we are going to provide you with comprehensive coverage of agriculture course along with interview guidance. So the entire agriculture course that is divided into, or it has been put under different buckets for your easy understanding, and everything has been started from basics so that you can have a better understanding of each of these topics, and then again questions, so many multiple choice questions, so that you can have hands-on experience of the main test as well. And here, as part of that, we are going to get 3,500 plus MCQs for practice. And here, not only that, we have captured the latest trends of the exam and included all the important current affairs or reports. See, we have been seeing that there are various questions that are being asked from current affairs, like we have seen Nari Shakti Puraskar, that was offbeat, but still yes, they have asked these kind of questions as well. So to avoid any missing part, we have included all these whatever that are required for this IBPS A4 mains exam, from either current affairs or reports, as well as static as well, complete we have captured in this course. And then yes, we have covered each of these chapters from basics, so that you'll have good command over the concept knowledge and better understanding of the topic, so that you can not only excel in this exam but also in interview as well. So along with that, we are also going to provide you with doubt support and discussion forum, wherein you can post your queries and our expert faculty will answer your queries. And the summary sheets that we are going to provide you, these are downloadable and you can revise at your convenience. And we also have interactive live sessions wherein you can interact directly with your with the expert faculty and get your doubts clarified, or get your concepts cleared from them. So friends, next important step that comes here is how to buy our courses. So friends, here we have provided with the payment links in the description box. Along with that, we have also provided you with the links to our demo course, so that you can have first hand experience of our course material and how we have presented the material, everything. And along with that, we are also providing you with an early bird discount, and for that the code is AF415, and this would be for the first 15 days of the launch of the course. Thank you very much for watching this video, friends, and for any queries related to the course, you can always reach us at www.edutap.co.in, or you can contact us at hello@edutap.co.in, or even you can call us on 814-620-7241 for any kind of queries related to the courses.